Hi, this is Austin Ashbacker. Today I'm going to take you step by step through how to plan a utility in Vermeer Projects. So let's get started. To begin, you click the pencil tab on the left side of the screen. From here, you'll select Line Tools. It shows up with a couple of different drop downs. The first drop down, you select the type of utility you want to draw. The second drop down, you are able to select from a variety of different line types on how you want to see that line on the screen. From here, you select how you want to draw the utility. You can choose from line, which is a point-to-point, polyline, which is multiple points if you have any kind of direction change, or freehand, and that's basically just like drawing with a pencil. You can draw however you'd like. So I'm going to select Add Line. I come on the screen, I will see I have selected an electric utility, so I've got a red circle. To add this utility in, I click once at the beginning, click once at the end. It'll bring up my utility properties. On this screen, you will enter in the appropriate information for your utility properties. Once you have entered that information, you go to the bottom and select OK. And you have created an electric utility. That's it for this video.